I was sent this set of 30 pieces of jigsaw blades and asked you my opinion on them, make this short video, and here it goes. This is a kit made by EZARC. They make a lot of great cutting tools, whether it be drill bits or step drills or hacksaw blades, reciprocating blades. This is the jigsaw blade set with that spear type connection point on the bottom. Nice thing is when they give you 30 different types of cutting tools here, both for wood and for metal, they give you a carrying case also. So you can put them all inside this little case, and they've got different slots for the different types of blades. Pretty nice. The different types of blades that you get, these are good for some basic metal cutting, a little bit of a rougher and then a finer surface here. Also for all kinds of wood. These are all white paint, and they mean they're definitely good for wood. So these are definitely for clean cuts on wood, where you're not having a lot of nails and whatnot in the wood as well. This is giving you a fast cut or more clean cut, depending on the type of serration of the blades. So like I said, 30 of these come included. They're going to be used on a jigsaw like this. This is a DeWalt. It's very easy to connect these style of connections. They're very quick. You just got to flip your mount foot open here, slide them down in, bring it back, and then it clicks into place, and you're ready to go. So no matter how you're going to use these, very easy to connect them up. And then now I'm ready to cut. Let's give it a test, see how they do. Go ahead and do some cuts on this trim molding here. Just cuts through so easy. Really, really good blades. Nice clean cut. So as you can see, these are some really nice blades from EZARC, all kinds of different shapes and varieties for the different cutting needs that you may have. Hey, I hope this video was helpful. Hope this information was useful to you. And as always, I hope you have a great day.